can see Trinity College directly ahead and coming up on the left.
Trinity College, guys, prestigious university.
Was founded in 1592.
I graduated there.
Wow! Hindi nga, dyan ka na gano'n?
No. Actually, gusto namin siruhan dyan, pero ayaw niya. Trinity. Ito yung gate ang Trinity.
Trinity College?
Oh yeah, very prestigious list. Kumbaga, kung merong Stanford, whatever sa UK, Trinity sa
College.
The monks returned to Ireland and completed the Book of Kells in County Meath. Its pages are made from calfskin or vellum. Something in the region of 185 calfskins was used to make the book. It is written in Latin and beautifully decorated.
That's the gate.
The long room of the old library holds over 200,000 old books and is an impressive room with its barrel vaulted ceiling of oak. The long room also houses the oldest harp in Ireland and an original copy of the Proclamation of
Papa, the best
Independence of
university.
1916. Access to the old library is through the main gate on your left, which is flanked by statues of two former students, Edmund Burke, statesman and politician, and Oliver Goldsmith.
We will go there later on, ha? Unahin natin itong mga ano, ha? Yan yung mga
Ayun yung,
Grafton yan. Yan yung high-end naman.
high-end mall. Check it.
That was the entrance for Trinity College and the Book of Kells. Well, there it is there, guys, on our left hand side. The Book of Kells